New fix method, extra steps not in previous guide. Turn off future frame rendering. Go to Settings Video, disable future frame rendering. Restart the game. Open quote, some users report this stops the delayed asset loading that causes invisible weapons. Close quote. Cap FPS for stability. In Settings, Video, Max Frame Rate, set a cap just below your monitor's refresh rate, e.g. 141 for 144 Hz. Prevents GPU from overloading texture streaming. Switch to borderless full screen. Go to Settings, Video, Display Mode, borderless. Helps avoid DX12 streaming glitches that cause asset pop-in failures. Manually rebuild shader cache. Close Battlefield 6. Delete, you can see the code in our conversation history. Relaunch the game to force a rebuild. Force high priority for BF6 process. Launch the game. Open Task Manager, Details tab, right-click battlefield6.exe, set priority high. Open quote ensures asset streaming threads are given more CPU time. Close quote. Disable GPU memory restriction. Go to Settings, Video, Advanced. Set GPU memory restriction to off so textures and meshes load fully. New SEO title.